Hello everyone, welcome back to our kitchen faucet channel. Today we have something special to talk about that can truly elevate your kitchen experience. We're diving into Kraus KPF 1690 BGM Britt Pre-Rinse Commercial Kitchen Faucet, and we'll explore all the features that make it stand out from the crowd. If you are interested in purchasing this kitchen faucet, click on the link in the description below the video. Before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more reviews and home improvement tips. Let's get started. The Britt Commercial Faucet blends performance and style to help you build the kitchen of your dreams. The sleek contemporary design features a commercial-style open coil spring spout with flexible hose and secure docking arm. The three-function spray head optimizes your workflow by allowing you to switch from a steady aerated stream for aerated cleaning to a powerful spray for blasting away stubborn food residue, or to pause the flow of water with the touch of a large non-slip rubber button. Soft rubber nozzles make the spray face easy to clean and maintain a lasting, powerful flow. Available in multiple flawless finish options, including all bright spot-free stainless steel finish, which helps to prevent fingerprints and requires less cleaning. Here are some of the specific features about the Kraus KPF 1690 BGM Britt Pre-Rinse Commercial Kitchen Faucet. Commercial-style faucet is both flexible and functional, with a heavy-duty open coil spring spout for an industrial look. High-arc spout with stainless steel hose offers increased sprayer mobility with ample room for large pots and tall pitchers. Two-tone brushed gold or matte black finish creates a striking, modern look with a rich, warm feel. Wear-resistant finish will not fade or tarnish over time. Available in multiple finish options so you can create a look you love. Three-function spray head with large non-slip rubber button switches between aerated stream for everyday cleaning to powerful spray for heavy-duty rinsing to pausing the flow of water. Docking arm with holder keeps flexible spring sprayer securely in place. Smart handle design. Single handle operates with 90-degree forward rotation, allowing for installation in tighter spaces with no backsplash clearance needed. Premium ceramic cartridge provides long-lasting leak-free use. Spout swivels 360 degrees for a full range of motion. Faucet dimensions. Faucet height 20 and 5/8 in, spout height 6 and 3/8 in, spout reach 8.5 in, flow rate 1.8 GPM. Lifetime limited warranty. Satisfaction guaranteed with top-rated customer service that always puts you first. Here is a summary of the pros and cons of the Kraus KPF 1690 BGM Britt Pre-Rinse Commercial Kitchen Faucet. Pros: commercial style design, three-function spray head, durable construction, easy to clean, lifetime warranty. Cons: large size, high price. Overall, the Kraus KPF 1690 BGM Britt Pre-Rinse Commercial Kitchen Faucet is a well-made and stylish faucet that is perfect for busy kitchens. However, it is important to consider the size, price, and installation difficulty before making a purchase. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Kitchen Faucet for more reviews and home improvement tips, and leave a comment below if you have any questions or if you've already tried the Kraus KPF 1690 BGM Britt Pre-Rinse Commercial Faucet. Until next time, happy kitchen upgrading!